everyone, my name is Parameswari Nazarjulati and today I would like to present a famous novel entitled A Christmas Carol written by Charles Dickens. This story was first published in 1843 and remains one of the most well-known Christmas stories in English literature. Even though it was written many years ago, its message about kindness, generosity, and personal change is still relevant today. In this presentation, I will discuss the summary of the story, its strengths and important themes, my personal opinion about the novel, and the lesson that I learned from it. Let's get started. The story centers on Ebenezer Scrooge, a wealthy businessman who is known for being cold-hearted, selfish, and greedy. He cares more about money than about people and has little interest in helping others. Scrooge dislikes Christmas because he sees it as a waste of time and money. He even treats his loyal employee Bob Cratchit poorly by paying him a low salary and showing little appreciation for his hard work. One Christmas Eve, Scrooge received a surprising visit from the ghost of his former business partner Jacob Marley. Marley had been just as greedy as Scrooge during his lifetime, and now he suffers in the afterlife because of the choices he made. Marley warns Scrooge that he will face a similar fate unless he changes his behavior. He tells Scrooge that three spirits will visit him during the night. The first visitor is the ghost of Christmas past. These spirits take Scrooge back to important moments from his childhood and youth. Scrooge sees himself as a lonely boy who often spent Christmas alone. He also remembers happier times when he had friends and people who care about him. The spirit then shows him how his growing obsession with money caused him to lose the woman he loved. These memories make Scrooge feel sadness and regret. Next, the ghost of Christmas present appears. This spirit shows Scrooge how people are celebrating Christmas at that very moment. He visits the home of Bob Cratchit and sees that although the family is poor, they are filled with love and gratitude. Scrooge is especially touched by Bob's young son, Tiny Tim, who is kind and cheerful despite his illness. The spirit also shows Scrooge how his nephew Fred enjoys Christmas with family and friends. Through these experiences, Scrooge begins to understand that happiness does not come from will alone. The final visitor is the ghost of Christmas yet to come. This spirit is silent and mysterious. It shows Scrooge a future where people speak about the death of an unpleasant old man with little sympathy. Eventually, Scrooge realizes that the dead man is actually himself. He also sees that Tiny Tim has died and that very few people are sad by his own death. Frightening vision makes Scrooge realize the consequences of his selfish actions. When Scrooge wakes up on Christmas morning, he is overwhelmed with relief because he has been given a second chance. He decided to change his life completely. He buys a large turkey for the Cratchit family, donates money to charity, and treats others with kindness and respect. He becomes a better employer, a better friend, and better member of society. Most importantly, he learns to value people more than money. In my opinion, A Christmas Carol is a powerful and inspiring story. One of its greatest strengths is the transformation of Scrooge. At the beginning of the story, he is selfish and uncaring, but by the end, he becomes generous and compassionate. This change shows readers that it is never too late to improve ourselves and make better choices. Personally, I enjoy reading this novel because it contains an important lesson about kindness and empathy. It reminds us that our actions affect the people around us and that we should care about others, especially those who are less fortunate. I also like how the story combines emotional moments with supernatural elements, making it both meaningful and interesting to read. Another reason I appreciate this story is that its message is universal. Although it takes place in 19th century England, the themes of generosity, family, and personal growth can be understood by people from different cultures and generations. The story encourages readers to reflect on their own behavior and consider how they can contribute positively to their communities. In conclusion, A Christmas Carol by Charles Dickens is a timeless story about redemption, compassion, and personal transformation. Through the journey of Ebenezer Scrooge, readers can learn that true happiness comes from caring for others rather than focusing only on wealth and personal gain. The story continues to inspire people around the world and remains an important piece of literature today. And that's all for me. Thank you for your attention.